Wait, you're still snoring like a chainsaw at 2 a.m.? I just tested every anti-snore gadget on Amazon, and I'm about to show you which ones are absolutely garbage and which one actually works. But first, quick question for you. Have you ever been kicked out of bed by your partner because of your snoring? Or maybe you've tried 5 different gadgets and wasted like $200? Yeah, that's why I'm here. I tested 12 different products so you don't have to be the human equivalent of a broken chainsaw anymore. If you want quicker results, Vital Sleep is designed to help. See pinned comment.